We're going to explain how to get device tokens for push notifications. This token is essential for sending push notifications to a specific device, whether it's an iPhone, Android phone, or another device. It's a unique identifier that links your app to the device. Let's break down the process. 1. First, you need to integrate a push notification service into your app. This involves using platform-specific tools like Firebase Cloud Messaging, FCM for Android, and Apple Push Notification Service, APNs, for iOS. These services handle the technical details of sending the notifications. Each platform has its own SDK, software development kit, which you'll need to incorporate into your app's code. 2. Requesting permissions. Before you can get a device token, you absolutely must request permission from the user. This is crucial for user privacy and a positive user experience. The user needs to explicitly agree to receive notifications. The prompt will usually look something like, "Allow app name to send you notifications." If they don't grant permission, you won't get a token, and you can't send them notifications. Handle the case where the user denies permission gracefully in your app. 3. Register for push notifications. After the user grants permission, your app's code, using the chosen platform's SDK, FCM, or APNs, will register the device with the notification service. This registration process generates the device token. The exact method will vary depending on the platform and the SDK you are using. Consult the official documentation for your chosen SDK for precise instructions on how to register and get the device token. 4. Receiving the device token. Once the device successfully registers, the platform's notification service will send back a unique device token to your app. Your app needs to have code in place to receive and store this token securely. It's vital to store this token securely on your server. Never expose it directly in your app's client-side code. 5. Sending push notifications. Now that you've got the device token, you can use it to send targeted push notifications to that specific device through the chosen notification service, FCM, or APNs. You'll send the notification message along with the device token to the service, which will then deliver the notification to the device. Remember that each operating system, iOS and Android, has its own notification style and handling, which you will need to account for. 6. Handling token changes. Be aware that device tokens can change over time. A user might reinstall the app, reset their device, or otherwise change their device's state, causing a new token to be generated. Your app needs a mechanism to handle this and update the token on your server. This often involves using event listeners within the SDK to detect token changes and resend the updated token to your server. Always have a system in place to handle invalid or expired tokens. These steps cover the core process. However, each platform, Android and iOS, has its own specifics and nuances. Always refer to the official documentation of the push notification services and SDKs for the most accurate and up-to-date information.